Hello, I thought I'd do a quick video of how good the clones are of the JBC equipment. Here's a JBC dispenser, and it's a pretty simple design. The syringe goes in there, and you get this little plunger. It's like a little stick with grooves on it, and that goes in there, and then when you push down on it, it pushes it along, so it dispenses it. You can use this for solder paste, flux or UV mask. That's the genuine one, and over here we have the clone. This is made by a Chinese company called YCS. YCS is actually Kuang Li, which you may recognise. And yeah, I thought I'd do a side by side because I was pretty amazed how close to the original it is. In fact, you can't even tell them apart. So here they are side by side. As you can see, even the mechanism in the middle is exactly the same. And all the dimensions are exactly the same. One thing to bear in mind, when you buy the genuine one, you do get the syringes supplied with it. But for the price, the genuine one's £47. And this clone here on AliExpress is £2.24. So you could probably pick up a couple of syringes for a couple of quid as well. So, you know, there's a big price difference. And to be honest, I can't tell them apart. And you can use them for solder paste, and also they come with 3 needles. And for the price, it's amazing how close to the genuine article they actually are. So yeah, I definitely recommend picking a few of them up as they're so cheap. I'll drop the link underneath for the video for the AliExpress clone. Until next time, thanks so much for watching, and hit the like button if you like the video. Thanks.